Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a grocery haul. So we just got home, brought all of the stuff in, and we did our grocery shopping at H-E-B. H-E-B is a grocery store in Texas, and it's one of my favorites. So I'm just gonna give you a quick overview, and I'm out of breath, if you can tell, because when I bring groceries in, I like to put as much as I can on my arms. So I carried a lot in, and yeah, I'm out of breath. Anyway, I wanted to say there's gonna be some like random stuff in here, but it's like ingredients for recipes that I'm going to be making this week. So we're gonna start over here. So the first thing I have here is a bag of white rice, which I'm going to be using in a chicken soup recipe. Now normally I like chicken noodle soup, and I make my mom's recipe for that, but Alan likes rice in it or with it, whatever. So it's going to be chicken and rice soup, unless I can convince him to have this on the side and let me throw the noodles in so I can still have chicken noodle soup, if you know what I'm saying. Next up, I got some string cheese, and then I found this, which I've never seen before. It's walnut milk. So I've had almond milk before, but I've never had walnut milk. I think I've even had cashew milk, but never walnut milk. So this is vanilla walnut milk, and it's 4 grams of sugar, 50% more calcium, and then 500 milligrams of omega-3s. I don't know, I thought it seemed pretty interesting, so I bought it to add into my smoothies and just to drink on its own. And I also got some cereal, so I could use this with some cereal. It's non-GMO, dairy-free, soy-free, and gluten-free. Next up, look what I found, y'all. Lactose-free half and half. Lactose-free half and half. Yet another thing I've never seen before, but I was looking on my H-E-B app because I was checking out coupons to see if they had any coupons or good deals going on. And I seen a coupon for this, and I was just mind blown. I'm like, I've got to get this and try this and have it in my coffee in the morning. Next up, we got some Greek yogurt, and this is honey flavor. I still prefer the Greek Gods honey Greek yogurt over the H-E-B brand, but to be honest, this is $1 cheaper, so girl, come on now. Sacrifice that flavor for $1. All right, so then I got some frozen fruit. This is mango, papaya, and strawberry. And then I got some blueberries just to add extra in there. I like frozen fruit for my smoothies. We got some pickles here. These are Alan's favorite pickles, and you can find them in the refrigerated section over by the deli. These are the Clausen, whatever, kosher dill spears. Oh, Cookie, did you knock something down? Anyway, these are, yeah, kosher dill spears, and we literally eat those so quick. Let's go see what Cookie did. Don't mind my mess. Cookie. Oh my God, look what Cookie did. Wow. Good job, Cookie, good job. Okay, back to the grocery haul. All right, so then I got some olive oil. We got some Worcestershire sauce. Y'all know I cannot pronounce that. I'm not even gonna try it. Worcestershire, girl. Nope, we got some sauce, honey, that I'm going to be using in a recipe this week. And I also got some cornstarch I'm going to be using in a recipe this week. And got some chicken bouillon for my soup. Got some salted sweet cream butter. I got 2 different packs of ground beef here. Well, this one says ground chuck, ground beef. I don't know what the difference is, but I needed 2 packs of meat, okay? Because I'm gonna be making meatloaf, and then I'm gonna be using some hamburger meat for another recipe. So I got some pork chops, and then this big pack of chicken tenders. We always just use chicken tenders for some reason. That's just what we do. Yeah, so the good thing is I'm gonna get a couple meals out of this pack, because that's 2 meals right there. And then this pack I'm gonna get several meals out of. So if you buy stuff like that, girl, it's a win-win. All right, so moving on, I've got some cilantros here for my chicken soup, baby carrots for my soup, onion for a recipe I'm gonna be making. I got some green onions. We decided to maybe throw some green onions in the chicken soup. We're gonna try that out. Normally we just throw in those little onion bulbs that you get in a jar, but we're gonna try that. Got some celery for the chicken soup. Got some beef broth and chicken broth for the soup, and another meal I'm gonna be making. 2 packs of our favorite classic Caesar salad kits. You guys have to just buy a Caesar salad kit and thank me later. Got some bananas, got some peanut butter. You know, y'all are always asking me for like tips on how to save money and things like that. Girl, let me tell you something. Check out them cheaper brands, okay? Because this was literally the same as the other brands, but it was way cheaper. The brand name is all good, and who really cares what that brand name is, because it tastes just like every other peanut butter on earth. So if you can save $1 by just getting a slightly different brand, honey. I mean, you've seen all this, half of this stuff was store brand up here. It's all the same thing. It's just a different name brand, but that'll save you some money. So there's a great tip right there. And always try to find coupons, okay? Coupons. All right, next up we got some Blue Diamond almonds. Check out this cereal I got, y'all. Chef Inspired Blends, HEB brand, Cerealology, granola, strawberry, matcha fusion, okay? This has rolled oats, white chocolate pieces, and matcha tea added, freeze-dried strawberry pieces, chia seeds, grated coconut, and cinnamon. Can you imagine? I have no clue what this is even gonna taste like. I'm kind of scared, but I'm so excited at the same time because that just looks so different and good. And I can't wait. Cannot wait. I will be having that in the morning with that walnut milk. All right, so next up I got some shampoo and conditioner. I got some Tresemme Repair and Protect shampoo and conditioner. Me and Alan got some deodorant. I always buy the Secret brand, but I usually get the Water Lily. That's my favorite. I haven't even smelled this one yet, but when I seen it said rose, I just grabbed it because I love anything rose. So hopefully this is gonna make my pits smell like roses. Hopefully. No, seriously though, I hope it smells good. I don't know. I got some toilet paper, grabbed some Angel Soft because it's a pretty good price. Got a bag of potatoes for mashed potatoes and for my chicken soup. And then, shh, don't tell. Let's just see. Let's see if I can make some noise. And by the way, that was the last of my groceries. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna sit on the floor. Girls? Dang. They ain't even running for it. Is it because I got HEB brand? Cookie? Cookie, I got a treat. Oh, Is that right? All right, let's get this open. There she comes too. Okay, so I've never bought these before, but I want to see what they think about them. They look yummy. Look at that. Oh, Mikey likes it. Let's see. Cookie, you are so stingy. You know that? Here, my girl. She likes it too. That's so good. All right, so it's the Crunchy Catch. Helps with tartar control. Ocean fish flavor. Oh, I'm so happy they love it. Well, Cookie really likes anything, but Kiki is pretty picky. There's some things she just won't eat. Yay! So, I've decided I need to kind of clean my icebox out, maybe rearrange some things, put my groceries away in here. I'm not even about to wipe all this out. I am tired, but there's some things I feel like moving around. Okay, y'all, so I'm just going through my icebox right now and kind of reorganizing some things and checking the expiration date on some things and throwing some stuff away that maybe has just been in there too long or it's no longer good. So that's what I am doing now. And then I'm going to be putting all of my groceries away that belong inside the icebox. Normally when I clean my icebox out, I would, get a cleaning solution and wipe it all down, like the shelves and the wall and the back and all that. But we had waited like kind of late to go grocery shopping, so by the time I got home with the groceries and going to put them away, I was just too tired to think of doing the cleaning out part, like the cleaning part or whatever, so I just didn't do that. So now I'm just taking the meats out of their packages and I am putting them in Ziploc bags. I'm like separating certain amounts of pieces and putting it in a Ziploc bag, rolling it up to get the air out of it so I can put it in the freezer, because I never know what I'm going to cook on what day. So it's just best for me to put it in the freezer. That way it doesn't go bad in the icebox. So that is what I'm doing here. Normally I would have bigger Ziploc bags for this, but I didn't on this day. So I'm just using these little ones. Like I said, rolling it up, getting that air out, and putting it right up in the freezer. So I pretty much only put away all of the chicken and the pork chops and one of the packs of hamburger meat, because I asked Alan what he wanted to eat for dinner the next day and he said meatloaf. So I kept one of the packs of hamburger meat out and just put it in the icebox, and the rest went into the freezer. And then the girl who was too tired to wipe out the icebox decided that it was a great time to organize her pantry. To be honest, I just couldn't stand the thought of putting things away in this pantry because it was so messy and cluttered, and I just hated it. When I opened up that door and looked in there, I was like, girl. It was giving me anxiety. So I decided to just take everything out. I just took everything out off of them shelves and started organizing it. The little plastic organizers I'm using are from the Dollar Tree and Amazon. So the white ones are from the Dollar Tree and the colored ones that you're going to see is from Amazon. I used one little plastic container or organizer for salty things like pretzels and stuff like that, and then the next one I'm going to be doing sweets because we had some pumpkin spice muffins and some cookies. So yeah, I'm just separating all that, and then I also have another little organizer bin that I put all of the pasta in and the bags of rice that I had. I obviously have this video like sped up, so it took a lot longer than what you think for me to do this, but by the time I was done, it was totally worth it. Everything looked so nice and neat because not only did I organize the food, but I organized the shelf that has all the spices on it. I organized the shelf that has the Ziploc bags and the tin foil, and then I organized the shelf that holds all of my cleaning products. All of it was completely chaotic and it was just setting me crazy. I hated looking at it. So yeah, I just organized everything and it looks and feels so much better now. So if something of yours in your home is messy and chaotic and causing you anxiety, even if you don't feel like it, get up and do it. Clean it, organize it, because I promise you the end result is going to make you feel so much better, so much happier, and you're going to feel so much more peace.
I see outside your silhouette, 'cause it's all that I know. Can't see past the outlines. I'm too far gone. I can't help that. Too far gone. It's falling apart. Too far gone. I can't help that. Too far gone. It's falling apart.
Okay, so anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this grocery haul. I am going to be doing some meal ideas this week. I'm not sure if I'm going to do them individually or piece them all together and make one big video. I'm not sure just yet, but I'm really excited because I'm going to be making something I've never made before. And then I love making my mom's chicken soup, so I'm excited about that. And I'm making a meatloaf and a mashed potato. I hope y'all are looking forward to that. And anyway, I'm gonna shut up now because I've went on too much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave me some comments down below. I would love to hear from you. I always reply to my comments, always. And yeah, give me a thumbs up and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.